Hi there, it's Ashley here from the Professional Massage Academy, and we're an online massage school with a hands-on in-class component as well as the online training. And our mission is to educate and inspire knowledgeable, compassionate, and confident therapists who positively impact the community and the profession. And we pledge to dedicate unwavering excellence in education, ethics, and professionalism in the massage industry. Thanks for joining us today. So when someone schedules with you for a massage, you may be asked to give some advice on the best type of massage for that particular person and what they're looking for. And it can feel overwhelming or difficult to pick the right circumstances and the right particular massage for that person. So today we're going to be going over a deep tissue massage, and a lot of people have heard of this type of massage, deep tissue massage, and a lot of people probably will request it for one reason or another. And we're going to talk about when to get it, when to advise people to get it, what techniques are used, and then also the different benefits that it has for the body and for the person. So first off, what is deep tissue massage? Deep tissue massage, as the name implies, is a deeper technique where you are going to aim to reach the muscles on the deeper level. So if you think about the anatomy, we have our skin, then we have the fascia, which is between the skin and the muscles. We have other tissue in there. There can be fat, there can be other connective tissue as well. And then the muscle is deeper to that, more less superficial, more deep. So there can be different techniques that are more invigorating, more stimulating, that focus on realigning those deeper tissues of the connective tissues and muscles. And oftentimes, deep tissue massage is aiming to help release things so that people are feeling better with less pain, less tightness, improved range of motion, and more flexibility, just to name a few. They can either put the pressure as a slow movement, or it can be a faster, more invigorating movement. There can be deep tissue finger specific or pressure point specific techniques employed that either go across the muscles and tendons and fascia or go in parallel with it. In particular, deep tissue massage can also help with breaking up scar tissue. So if someone's coming in and they have scar tissue or an area of the body that has had surgery in the past or an injury in the past, deep tissue massage will oftentimes help with that. And that helps to break down the adhesions or the areas of tightness and where the, usually it's tendons, sometimes ligaments, where those heal in sort of a different way that they have more scar tissue to them. And you can also use deep tissue massage for areas that feel like there's a knot. So if someone is talking about or complaining about having a particular tight spot or a knot in their muscle, deep tissue can really help with that as well. And it's always good to let people know that they might be a little bit sore after the work of deep tissue because you are going pretty deeply, so it can feel sensitive after the massage due to that deep pressure. There are ways to avoid that or lessen that, such as getting proper hydration afterwards and doing some gentle heat and other things as well. But letting someone know that that's a normal response can be helpful. So in general, the layer of tissue that we talked about, we have the skin, the fascia between the skin and the muscles. Then we have the muscles and deeper connective tissues that lie deep to that. So how to perform deep tissue massage? We're going to talk about two popular techniques that can be used. One is trigger point therapy, and This is a particular technique where you're trying to decrease the pain cycle or the tightness cycle, or the knots in particular, using a certain amount of pressure where you meet the pressure that's already there with your fingertips. Often it's used fingertips so you can feel better, be able to sense the area better, but a therapist can also use such areas as their elbow, for example, to perform that trigger point therapy, or their heel of their hand, things like that. And that can actually be helpful to not get as sore in your fingers and your thumb joints. But this, you can experience the less pain and stiffness even with only having done one treatment. Often it's very effective. This is also known to decrease anxiety caused by chronic pain. And again, you can use lots of different points. There can be different areas of the body that experience these trigger points. Usually it's in the muscle belly of the particular muscle that's being sore. So like you have your tendon that attaches to the bone, then you have the muscle belly, then you have a tendon on the other side of the muscle. And so usually the trigger point is somewhere in that midpoint of the muscle or the muscle belly itself. There's also myofascial release, and this type of massage can be used with or without oils or lotions. Often it's less pressure than that deeper trigger point pressure, and the aim is to just get that second layer, that more superficial layer between the skin and the muscle, that myofascial or fascial layer, get that moving and get that released of any adhesions or tight spots. And so it can be a pretty gentle technique. There's things called skin rolling that you may have heard of that exist under that myofascial umbrella. And then there can also be really techniques that just stay pretty superficial but help to release that area as well. Sometimes people can be sore even after this, even though it seems like a more gentle technique. It can also be very effective, and same types of things in order to decrease that post-massage soreness, such as hydration and gentle movement, maybe some gentle heat as well. All right. And there can always be a combination of a few different techniques used at the same time within a certain massage. Again, just knowing what the benefits are and what the person is looking to get out of that particular massage. But benefits to deep tissue massage are, there's lots of them, stress relief, pain reduction, which we talked about, can lower blood pressure and heart rate, so working at the circulatory system level, can break up scar tissue, reduce arthritis, pain, and symptoms related to that. It can help to rehabilitate injured muscles or tendons, promote relaxation and release endorphins. As we talked about before, increase range of motion or flexibility, and then also eases inflammation. So, who does deep tissue massage benefit? Almost everyone can benefit from a deep tissue massage, but some examples of good candidates include people who are highly active, who work out or participate in sports, people who suffer from chronic pain or arthritis, and a person who is noticing a particular problem spot in their body, in particular their muscle, that might have a knot or a muscle soreness. You do want to make sure to explain to the patient that it is a deeper technique, and then they might be sore afterwards. So if that's something that they're not interested in, then this technique probably will not be the best one for them. For example, if they're coming in for more of a relaxation massage, or they don't want to be sore the next day, you can choose to use a different technique such as effleurage in that case. Good. So in conclusion, deep tissue massage can be a great tool for muscle recovery, pain reduction. There are lots of benefits, as you've seen, and heard today. In particular, a regular routine of getting muscle work and massage therapy can be very beneficial. You can also let them know that they will be a little bit sore, most likely, afterwards. And it's always good to consult a doctor if you or your client believes that they have a larger injury at hand. You never want to cause more pain or injury to that area, especially if it's too sore or irritated or inflamed. And always remembering the red flags or the caution areas to be aware of, and stop if the pain is worsening or if pain occurs during. So thanks for tuning in. Stay up to date on what's happening at PMA by joining our newsletter. You can go to our website to sign up, and to learn more about us or contact us with any questions, please go to theprofessionalmassageacademy.com. All right, thanks so much, and we hope you have a great day. Bye.